Hello everyone, this is Shaikh Rizwan. Currently, I am pursuing data science certification from Ivy Professional School. So, as part of our Power BI curriculum, today I will be showing you a sales analysis on a grocery store dataset. So, before getting into the analysis report, let me show you the dataset which I have used for the same. So, this is the dataset having transactions for 1997, 1998, for both year returns, store data, customer data, and you can see the customer name, marital status, gender, and all these details we have. So when we have a multiple tables, we will do the first thing we have to do is to get the relationship created for all the tables. So as you can see, I have created relationship between customers to transactions, one to many, calendar to transaction date, that is one to many, and so on. So once our relationship is all good, we can go ahead and get our analysis report done, because after the relationship is perfect, we can get our reports accurately without any error. So this is the report or dashboard, you can say, I have created for the same, but this is just a sales analysis report, so I'll be sharing you the sales data only. So starting, we have a total revenue data. Total revenue has been calculated by using, here you can see total revenue. Total revenue has been created using the SumX function, where we have simply calculated the total revenue of all the products we have sold so far for both the year, that is 97 and 1998. Coming on to the second data, we have total profit. So how we have created the total profit for the same? Total profit has been created using simple total revenue minus total cost. That's all, nothing else. Just deducted our total revenue minus total cost, we have got the total profit, that is 1.05 billion. That's the combined profit for 97 and 1998 data. Next data we have is of quantity sold. How many product quantity we have sold for all the years. So for this data we have used quantity sold. Here it is the quantity sold. We have simply sum up all the transaction quantity and we have got the total quantity sold for both the year, that is 97 and 1998. It is 833,000 some around. Now this is the most important. As you can see, we have in the sales report, we have tried to get which product has been are the most selling for both the year, that is 1997 and 1998, in terms of revenue generation, in terms of sales, in terms of revenue generation, you can say in terms of profit as well, because the product which has been sold the most surely going to give us the best profit. So this is Herminos green pepper, has been the best selling product for the combined 1997 and 1998 year. So how we have calculated this best selling product? So we have used the function of top n using the filter function from the same. Okay, so after that let's come to this one. As you can see, we have categorized our products, whichever products we are selling, into three categories, that is under $1 products, between $1 to $3 product, that is mid-tier products, and the third one is the greater than $3 products. It can be of any cost. So if we calculate our revenue based on these three categories, we can easily see that 66.6%, 26% has been the revenue generation alone from this mid-tier products, that is $1 to $3 products. So the company should focus on more selling the products which is under 3,000 and above under $3 and above $1, that is $1 to $3 product, because they are the most selling by this company in the year 1997 and 1998. Now coming on to the chart, we can simply easily see that this is the 1997 data and this is 1998 data. We can clearly see that there's a jump of almost more than 100% loan, and we can also analyze that during the January in both the years the sales were quite normal. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. But in the November to December, it's a kind of a festive season, that is November and December. Most of the festivals are in the November and December festival in the US and all. So this is the boosting period time. So company should focus more on selling the products on these months because it is going to generate more revenue for the company. Now the most important part is the key performance indicator. We can easily see that is the 1998 revenue is $1.2 million. That is total revenue growth, and how much it has been increased compared to the previous one, that is 112.8% more compared to the 1997. So it surely shows a green signal that the sales are getting high, so as the profit as well as the revenue of the company is going high. But coming to the returns getting increased as well with the same proportion. As we can see, the return has also been increased 114.22%. Means there was no you can say there was no steps taken to reduce the returns. As you can see, in 1997 if returns were 5, so in 1998 the returns are 10. There's no steps or measures have been taken compared to the 97 returns to the 98 returns. At the returns as the returns has also been increased to 114.22%. So analyzing the in a nutshell, we can easily say our revenue has been increased, our profit has been increased, we have sold the 800 plus quantities of all the products, and our best selling product is the Hermanos green pepper of all the categories. And if we categorize the products between the pricing from $1 to $3, we have been getting the most number of sales or say revenue from $1 to $3 products, and we have to work on the sales returns to decrease the same. So that was all my analysis for the same. Hope you guys enjoyed the analysis, and if there are any suggestion or feedback, you can surely comment on the below. Thanks a lot. Shai Rizwan signing off.